Hello, how are you? Ready for another English class? Yes, here we go. Today we are going to see different tastes with the tongue. Tastes. Okay, I have sweet, sweet, bitter, bitter, sour, sour, salty, salty. Okay, and I have some healthy habits. Okay, for example, get up early, that is important. Get up early. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Exercise daily. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise daily. Go to the bed early. Go to the bed early. Practicing good hygiene. Okay? For example, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Take a bath. La 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 la. Take a bath. Most important, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Remember. Okay? And comb your hair. Comb your hair. Okay? Fruits for a picnic. What kind of fruit do you know? Ready to know some fruits? Okay, mention it please. Help me. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Delicious. Strawberry. Pineapple. Pineapple. Grapes. Grapes. Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, remember, always smile. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.